How can you access applications on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, you can access your apps if you are like on the watch face, like the locked state of the watch. Of course, press the digital crown, which is the rotating button. You click it and you're going to get to the all apps view. So these are all of your installed apps on the Apple Watch. Of course, you can click on them and start using them, whatever. However, not all of them might appear right away on your wrist because it's kind of important to check out the iPhone that you used to set up the Apple Watch and go to the watch application specifically. Upon scrolling down a little bit, you'll see the installed on the Apple Watch, and it is possible that some of the apps are simply available but not yet installed, right? So for example, you download something like a weather app on the iPhone, which does support a version for the Apple Watch, but it's not set up to be installed automatically, so you have to just click on it, confirm it in here, and that's how you'll be able to access all of your applications. So that's how it works. You can, of course, install new ones on the iPhone, right, and everything. So that's how it would work. Keep in mind that you can always go to the App Store section within this app, and there is the automatic downloads. So it just means that it will automatically install all of the apps purchased on other devices. So if I have this turn on, I download some app on my iPhone, which also comes with a watch version, it will automatically appear on the Apple Watch as well. So that's how you can access all of your applications and make sure that you get the most out of your devices. So that is it from me. Let me know what you think. Let me know if we managed to answer your question. If not, let me know about that. Share your thoughts below. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.